The defining constraint on modern institutional leadership is latency. When data is fragmented across isolated software systems, resources are lost in the gaps between them. This friction occurs when human resources platforms are blind to academic scheduling, or when daily logistical operations exist completely separate from the financial ledger. Adding more specialized software tools does not resolve this fragmentation, it deepens the existing silos. The solution is structural, not incremental. Scaling modern education management depends on replacing these fragmented databases with a singular, zero-latency intelligence plane. THIRSD operates as a foundational, parametric data environment. The identity of this platform is anchored in the sigma, the mathematical representation of an absolute sum. It holds all institutional data in one place. The defining rule of this architecture is synchronization. Make a single adjustment to any node, a student, a teacher, or a budget, and that variable propagates across the entire institutional matrix. This architectural integrity transforms raw data into an active, high-velocity operational engine. To understand this execution, we have to look past the abstract architecture and examine the operational interface. This analytics dashboard acts as the ground truth for the institution. This chart shows the attendance trends presence rate overview. Daily, physical presence forms the foundational data layer for all subsequent operational logic. The system instantly categorizes the spaceline, plotting precise present, late, and absent metrics into distinct breakdowns for student and staff populations. Looking at the finance console, we see $7,666 in gross billing, alongside a 100% collection efficiency ring chart. This operational baseline directly correlates to financial health and revenue mix. In a unified plane, academic presence and invoice status are synchronized components of the same system. This macro visibility exposes correlations immediately, allowing leadership to seamlessly resolve logistical discrepancies before they escalate into systemic crises. Moving from observation to execution, timetable scheduling serves as the primary test of an organization's logistical capability. This configuration interface shows the initial parameters that must be mapped, establishing hard constraints like 5 periods per week and requirements for specialized physical rooms. This interface reveals the human capital constraints. We set specific workload limits for staff members, defining the maximums per day, per week, and consecutive periods allowed. Resolving these colliding variables across hundreds of individuals exceeds optimal human computation. This panel highlights the auto-generation engine, an AI-ready system built to ingest these complex parameters. It algorithmically generates conflict-free schedules, outputting complete, deployable schedule blocks instantly. Administrative mapping that traditionally demands weeks is collapsed into seconds of processing time. Resolving complex operational constraints algorithmically is the defining characteristic of institutional intelligence. We see this exact same efficiency applied to the gap between daily operations and monthly financial execution. This attendance matrix provides the daily tracking baseline, charting precise checkmarks and absence indicators for every staff member. Because this daily data is instantly available, this run payroll modal automatically isolates pending staff and skips those already processed to prevent double payment errors. This payroll view shows the result. Base salaries, allowances, and deductions are executed and verified based on the continuous daily data. When the daily logistical reality of a campus informs complex financial operations instantly, the institution finally achieves a state of absolute zero-latency execution. The unified architecture tracks the student journey, from individual lessons to summative evaluations. This course builder interface shows the structural breakdown of the learning management system, detailing Python lessons, their duration, and the 70% pass requirement. This activity mix bar chart visualizes how those individual lesson interactions scale up. Comparing overall courses, enrollments, and quizzes provides immediate visibility into cohort engagement. This formative digital engagement feeds the competency matrix shown here. Subject scores, minimum thresholds, and grace pass statuses are mapped for official grade generation. An interconnected academic continuum allows educators to proactively predict student outcomes. A fully intelligent architecture extends its control past the digital classroom and into physical reality. This transport management panel shows the tracking of physical assets. The Active Routes card details vehicle assignments, occupancy limits, and precise pickup and drop times. This opportunities management ledger integrates outside organizations into the student experience, tracking specific availability like this software intern slot with Google. An institution masters its scale only when it commands both its internal mechanics and its external touchpoints through a single interface. Zoom out to the macro level, and we see how academics, finance, and logistics converge into one unified stream. Operational speed and strategic intelligence are the products of uncompromised data integrity. Stop managing the friction of the present and begin architecting your future. The Sigma architecture provides the foundational operating system necessary for institutional scale.